In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size and font style quickly in Microsoft Outlook. This will be especially helpful for those who want to ensure their emails are not only informative, but also visually appealing. So let's get started with these simple steps. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Outlook sign-in page. Once you've arrived at the page, click on the Sign In button. You'll then see a field where you need to input your login details, your email address, and then your password. After you've entered your information, click the Next button to proceed. This should take you directly to your Outlook dashboard. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the part of Outlook where you can compose a new email. On your dashboard, a place you're probably quite familiar with, look for the button labeled New Email. Clicking this will open up a new draft where you can begin typing your message. With your new email draft open, it's time to focus on the body of the email, which is where the main content will go. Click within this area so your cursor is blinking, ready for you to start typing. You can go ahead and enter your text, but don't worry if you haven't yet decided on the font style or size, because we're about to tackle that. Direct your attention to the upper part of your Outlook interface, above where you're typing. You will see several tabs, including options like Help and Insert. You want the one labeled Message, located conveniently between these two. Click on Message to reveal additional options specifically tailored for composing and formatting your email. Within the Message tab, you'll find all sorts of tools at your disposal, but for now, concentrate on the area that pertains to font and size. You'll notice drop-down menus for both font style and font size. By clicking on the font style drop-down menu, you can explore a variety of different fonts, from Arial to Times New Roman and many others. Selecting a font is as simple as clicking on your preferred choice. For the font size, similarly, you would click on its drop-down menu to choose how large or small you'd like your text to appear. Just pick the size that best suits the tone and purpose of your email. And there you have it. You've now effortlessly changed both the font style and size in your Microsoft Outlook email. These customization options not only allow you to create emails that are easy to read, but also help you to convey the right message with the right visual cues. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.